that? What do you think?
I would think that hammer should start orbiting around me, seeing as though I got more mass in it than a vacuum.
Nice comment, but that's not the question. Do you think you would slowly drift back, about like a foot every minute?
It's hard for us to answer that question because we can't fathom the physics of something that's impossible that we've never experienced before.
Okay, well, this was the question that P Dubs was answering before he got kicked. So,
Why
if
would
you're
you
in
need a
space,
hammer?
if
Why
there's
would you need
nothing
a hammer
around
in
you and you
space?
threw it, if you threw a hammer, sorry, what did you say?
One
Why
interpret.
would you need a hammer in space if your shit is made so well it could, survive the
Yes,
vacuum of
it
space?
doesn't.
The fuck you need a hammer for?
I mean, okay, forget the hammer. You've got instead you've got a vacuum cleaner, and you're throwing the vacuum cleaner in space. All right, forget about the hammer. All right, or
Vacuum
you
in a
could always just
vacuum.
forget about that vacuum cleaner. One big fat fucking dildo. You threw the dildo off into space, right? Do you think that you would slowly drift back? Yes or no?
Why
Shouldn't.
would you
So
bring
you
a
trying to ask
dildo
I
me
don't have
if
space, bro?
experiences with that type of stuff.
hold on,
Yeah,
you trying
sorry.
to ask me if the dildo will boomerang into your butt right now, or what are you trying to ask me?
Yeah, we don't have dildos, Koala. So I don't
Nice,
know.
thanks. But no, it would stop with the orbiting. Just answer the goddamn question.
But
But
nah,
wouldn't
on the
the
real
sun
though, bro.
move
On
every
the
time
real
it
though,
has
bro.
a
I
foot
don't think that I
back
would go back at all. If I was like standing flat on, like, say I'm on the moon, I'm in space, I throw a fucking hammer. Nah, I wouldn't move back in the slightest. The
Well, at
hammer
least
will
someone
probably,
answered. Is there any other comment?
the hammer will probably orbit the moon forever for the
Let's
rest of
just say
eternity.
no, 58. Go ahead, make
Uh,
your point. So let's
if
just say
if it
that
was
we assume
if it was
no.
a hammer, it'd probably crash about 50 meters ahead of you. But anyway,
So let's just say no, we're not gonna move back. Now what?
well, look, I had to ask. I just had to ask because, as far as I'm concerned, if you're in the dead of space, and if you throw a hammer, the hammer might go, say, 10 kilometers per hour forwards, and you're going to go like half a kilometer per hour backwards. As far as I'm concerned,
I don't
How are
even
you
know what they
concerned?
think.
How do you come to that conclusion if you've never been to space?
this is just every action brings a equal and opposite reaction. The basic simple stuff like that.